yo, 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 yo. Yeah, guess what? It doesn't look like we have any trades today either. It doesn't look like very good. It doesn't look like we have any trades, at least for London, but you just gotta be patient. That's all it takes. It's just gotta survive this period until, yeah, the market starts providing setups again. Like, it's something, that's what I was thinking. It's something very rare that happens. It's usually very, very rare that all these pairs don't provide a good setup. Usually when one doesn't provide, for example, these three correlated pairs don't provide, the other ones will provide, like UK and DAX. When all these five don't provide, usually UJ will provide. So that's why usually I have a high trade frequency. But now somehow the market is just dog shit, I guess. We're just opening in these really weird states. For example, we're opening. Let me also send the stream to my Discord, because yeah, that's how what I do usually. So usually yeah, we're just opening in these really fucking weird states. For example, even here we're just opening in the middle of the range. Like, what is there here to do? Not only because, yeah, if we were bearish, this would be fine. Like, we're just looking for sells, we're looking for continuations. But look on hourly, like, we're not doing shit. We're just massively fucking ranging. But for me, it doesn't look like there's gonna be any setups neither. At least maybe for New York. But we're just opening in these very weird fucking states, right? Even DAX, which is usually trending, it just opens like in nothing, right? Maybe, yeah, if we inverse this, it can be good. But until that shit is inversed, yeah. Yeah, just chilling, bro. Not even looking to trade because it doesn't look like anything. Maybe, yeah, if we actually invest this can be good. Or we can also support this move lower. But even like that, we just don't have. I wouldn't really look at sell. Sell is rated. We just have this 50-minute VG here. Just doesn't look. Yeah, it looks more likely to be buying. So maybe DAX here on the inversion here, looking to target these highs. But yeah. Let's see UK. UK looks very bullish higher time frame. Also UK, yeah, looks decent. If we look at higher time frame, I mean, yeah, we're here like range, this bullish range, equilibrium prices, rated liquidity for our inverse. It's just likely to be bullish on the higher time frame, but yeah, and I like this gap to just continue higher, but we have this opposing PD array, so maybe if we close above here, we can look at this very small idea, but we're gonna see. Not the greatest, definitely. We're just gonna place an alert here on this inversion. If that happens, we can definitely look to target these highs there. Let's look at Asia. I mean, we do have, I don't know about this though. Again, I don't want to force any trades. That's how I come. Like, that's my mindset every single day. I don't want to force shit. Euro just like, see, this is what also kind of fucks the pair, because Euro just be opening like same as yesterday. We just fucking melt in New York. London opens very overextended to the point where it kind of needs to either generate liquidity or retrace. That's the exact same thing is happening right now. I would still see price retesting around this 4 hour. That's what I would want to see. I wouldn't really prefer shorting. We also took the sell side here, which makes it a bit likely to see that retracement. So even if it shorts from here, I'm not sure I want to really trade it, but it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, even if it shorts like here, this can technically be a valid trade, but yeah, I wouldn't, because sell side taken, right? Morning, bro, morning. It just, yeah, it's just very overextended. It's more likely for me to look for a New York reversal here. Just wait for London probably to do this, and then on New York we get like a 50-minute inverse here where I'm actually trading lower. It's just more likely, like more likely. What is the chances of us selling off an overextended area with sell side getting taken is very, very small. It's a very risky play to try and do. It's just better off to wait for that really pivotal price point here to get retested, which is also like equilibrium prices. This is too risky to trade like this. And I've taken a lot of losses like this when I was more of a beginner. The same with GU, like I'm seeing this as a best POI. I'm waiting for it to get retraced into. If we don't, I'm not trading. Like, see, look again, like we just took this low. It's still likely for us to see a reaction and now start retracing. Do I want to trade alongside that retracement? Hell no. I don't want to do that shit because it's still risky. Same with IU, like they all look fucking extremely overextended. We don't really want to be trading here. It's annoying, yeah, but we don't really want to be trading. Like, look at UG, they're all fucking overextended. Euro, GU, AU, UG, they're all fucking overextended. And UK and DAX is their fucking range as fuck. So it's very rare that so many pairs are dog shit. That's something, yeah, very rare to all be dog shit in a sense. Like not only one, even when they're correlated, usually one of them has a decent setup. But in this case, they're all fucking dog shit. AU looks like it's gonna break lower, but what are we trading here? To be honest, do we really want to be trading here? Let's see 4 hour. We don't. Like, look at this. We don't want to be trading here. Look at this. We're in the most optimal area for buys, I would say, because even if you look at this range, we see equilibrium. Like, we don't want to be trying to force shorts here. Definitely not. Definitely not want to force shorts. Maybe we can retrace to where's that. This is somewhat of internal liquidity, which I would like to target. So here, if we get something on the 50-minute, I might be slightly down to be targeting that, because we also have like higher time frame influence that we're actually reaching higher. Let's see. I mean, even on GU and all the pairs, we have this low getting taken, but see this? I don't know. We're gonna see. They're just kind of forced. All of them are forced, except even DAX. If we inverse, they're fucking forced. Look at this shit, bro. And we're just fucking rangy. We're not doing anything. Same with UK. Look at this bullshit, bro. Look at this fucking bullshit. Bullshit, bro. Even if you look at gold, bro, even gold, yeah, gold yesterday moved actually decent. This was actually nice delivery. We had this bearish range. We just, yeah, this was an hourly FHE. We break off it. We formed two 50-minute gaps. I would have traded here to target the Asian lows. But yeah, I don't trade gold anymore. I actually look at this, buy some liquidity rate into that 50-minute POI, then inversion, retest of the inversion, target Asian lows. It was a decent setup. This was probably the most decent setup we had this week. And weird enough, it happened on fucking gold. Weird enough. Maybe NASDAQ as well. Yeah, NASDAQ is shit. It's looking like it's gonna switch trend here. It's looking like it's gonna resume bullish again. And if we think about prices, yeah, we're in this strong rebalance. So this is again the most optimal area for us to resume bullish trend. But it's crazy how it just moves weird, bro. NASDAQ doesn't move nice. Doesn't move nice. Even maybe, I don't know, even cryptos. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god, you know, I don't know, one guy asked me yesterday to do an XRP analysis, and I did say we just reached lower into the equilibrium of the week, and that's kind of crazy. That's exactly where we are. Like from here to here. That's what my analysis was. 4 4 days. And last week was not great either, so it's just gotta be patient at this point. I know my period is gonna come. I know how my strategy works normally. My strategy on a normal fucking basis, I have at least one like A plus setup per day, because I trade so many pairs. My strategy is not complicated. It's very simple. It has pretty much 3 fucking rules. It has, yeah, this is my strategy. It has fucking drawn liquidity, 50-minute POI, and fucking 1 minute entry. This is my strategy. Like, it's so fucking simple, yet somehow the setups just be shit in a sense. Or drawing liquidity mostly is not clear. I mean, in this case it would be clear, but yeah, it's just weird as fuck. Like, this Asia is just like very, very weird. And Bitcoin is finally retracing. I do want to get into some, I don't know, investments, but yeah, this looks heavy. This looks like a heavy bearish market right now. It looks like, yeah, I definitely failed that lower high. Now we're bearish. We're reaching into this low. I would want to see Bitcoin come so much lower. I would want to see at least here. I mean, here is probably where it's coming though. It just looks like a very good area, which is also equilibrium. So 100 to 95. This is kind of where it's coming with XRP. Yeah. Ooh, Solana is very bearish here. We're gonna see, but it kind of looks like the crypto market is switching to a bear market. Yeah, Ethereum reached my final target. Fuck this shit, bro. I'm so fucking annoyed that I closed my position. I bought here, and I closed my position around here because I bought a PC with my crypto, with the money I had in crypto, and then price actually fulfilled my final targets, which was like 2x, which were a lot of money. I did predict the bottom really fucking well here. Really fucking well. I did predict the bottom, but yeah, I needed the money. I don't regret it. I bought around here, I think on this 4 hour gap. And then here was a really good accumulation zone. Oh my god, like just stacking money every single day here and then fucking fly. Let's see Tesla. I also was watching Tesla. Oh my god, there's no fucking way, bro. I predicted Tesla bottom as well. This is the area I was buying into, bro. And look at this shit, man. Look at this shit, man. Probably Nvidia. Only on Nvidia I got my prediction wrong. I thought we were gonna leave off here. When we just came a bit lower, but it's fucking sad. Solana, this were my buys. Look at this shit. 120 XRP. I think from here, look at this shit, 80. Like all the buys were good, basically. If you manage to predict the bottom on I didn't do did I do Bitcoin? I don't remember. Get the fuck out my screen, bruh. Get the fuck out, bruh. I think Bitcoin I was expecting a bit lower. I was expecting this red area, but we just left off here. But it's annoying. Let's just look at the market and see. Yeah, we're gonna see. But even if we break, yeah, man, like this area is too fucking strong, bro. This area is too strong. Sell side again, buy side and sell side are both taken on both sides of the range. And what are we trading, bro? I cannot target sells into taking liquidity. This is fucking annoying as fuck. Morning. No trades. Fuck is this, bro? In these periods, all we gotta do is survive. Because I was also thinking about this. When I was break even, I would have definitely find a way to force some trades here. I would have lost like, let's say 5%, and next week all I would do is recover this minus 5%, right? But this is actually winning because this is how you're profitable. If you're able to survive a week like this, the money you're gonna make next week you're gonna keep. If you lose this week, the next week you're just gonna recover this money and it's gonna really stagnate your progress. That's the difference. This is one key, I don't know, key thing we need to do as profitable traders. When the market is not presenting, we gotta stay patient. Because staying patient and not forcing trades is also winning in a sense. Because you're not losing, so you're kind of making money in a sense. Bruh. Looking at nothing. I mean, even here, like, look, we have buy side. I was thinking maybe, okay, we inverse this shit. We're looking at buys higher. Hell no. Even like, look at this shit. So, if we want to target buys, buy side is taken. If you want to target sell side is taken, bro. This shit is whack. Whack as fuck. Really whack. Let's see, maybe. I like how the Asian high liquidity is here on. It's a bit much though. It's to the point where it's a bit too much liquidity to the point where you might not get taken. But we need to see some shit on the 50-minute, and we still have this inversion, which we can definitely just keep holding lower. And bruh. Yeah, I'm looking at New York here. If we actually retrace, then I don't know, New York forms like a 50-minute gap lower of this POI, then it's gonna be a good trade. It's gonna be a good New York reversal, which is one of my mottos. Let's see. Come on, bruh. Let's see if I do have my New York reversal, but this is a bearish case. Do I have a bullish case? I don't have a bullish case. I should have a bullish case though. A bearish case, my bad. Bro, why are all the cases bullish? Look at this shit. 3 cases bullish. Okay, this is bearish. Yes, so this is what I'm saying. Like, this is exactly what I'm looking at here to happen. Like, we have, yeah, this is kind of the perfect example of what I think will happen here. Like, just Asia and London fucking retrace, and then New York sweeps London high and then reverses. That's kind of exactly what happened here, and I think it's actually gonna be very similar to this because even when we react off here in New York, we're not gonna have a long-term reaction, in my opinion, and continue selling. What I see happening is that we come for some sort of internal, maybe London low, maybe Asian low, how we did here, and then reverse because we're in pretty good spots to be being bullish. I mean, yeah, we're in pretty good spots on being bullish. But the thing is, the range does look very healthy. But yeah, I'm waiting on this. This is the most optimal area. That's why I'm just being patient for New York, though. Yeah, this definitely look like it's gonna buy for London. But it's just not a case I would trade. Definitely not. Let's see AU. She was just weirdly the strongest lower time frame. It was the weakest this week. Morning, brother. How are you? Euro looks bullish for now, but until here. But I wouldn't participate in this because we just took this range low. We have this optimal POI where we should retrace towards. I wouldn't be like participating necessarily into it, but I do see us buying towards this. And it's already kind of just swept all the sell side. This is also another valid model of mine, which is trending Asia, but I don't have one major step for my strategy, which is drone liquidity. I don't need a POI is not enough. I need to see if I would have had maybe some equal highs right here where they were just waiting to get mitigated, then I would have traded this buy, but like this, even if it's a valid model, it's just troll. But yeah, looking bullish for now. Let's see how it behaves. We should be holding this one. I'm down again to do a demo here. We should be holding that inverse higher. Straight off the bat here, stop loss comes below this inversions. Take profit comes all the way here, I would say. In terms of really like scalping to the best potential and not getting caught in retracements, I would say definitely here should be our take profit if we don't want to get caught in retracements. Or yeah, this one's taken. This is a very strong order block, but yeah, these weeks this is kind of where we should be drawing for London at least. These weeks right there. This is what I would target here. But yeah, just a demo for now. Stop loss below the inversions, that's where we are protected, and generally TP would be here. Generally that's how I would trade this, but I'm not going to because I don't have draw. And even yeah, the break is not that great, like we didn't come that impulsive. So yeah, this is what I would do if I don't know, I would just not care about being profitable. I mean, not even that necessarily, but yeah, this is just a lower probability trade for me, and yeah, to maintain my high win rate, I will not take this. But it's not that bad though. It's just risky because of multiple reasons. First, we have Asian high already taken. Second, we're in a very heavy bearish range. Third, we are buying into a 4-hour FVG. So yeah, but it should be easily continuing higher though still. This rebalance was really good, and then we ended up still holding somehow this stop inversion, and this was what I wanted to see for bullish cases. We should easily continue. This would be, I wouldn't really go break even though here. Not even trim, maybe trim, but yeah, I still think we should retrace here. Yeah, maybe trim here, not break even because this area is still very good. Look at this order block. I wouldn't go break even here because this order block is really good. This big ass fucking wick, this London open wick is really good as an order block, so it's very likely gonna get retested. That's why not going break even here would be troll. It just would be stupid, to be honest, to go break even because it's very high chance we come back and mitigate this shit. So maybe scale in actually rather than go break even here. Yeah, UK inverse. Are we valid on sells? We're not valid on sells. I'm not shorting into that. I'm not. Hell no. Hell no. I think DAX is breaking lower. Oh, not yet. Not yet. But wouldn't Too much resistance here. I wouldn't really short into that shit. I mean, we do have equal high. I just can't. I can't. It's too much resistance. I'm looking for low resistance liquidity bands, not high resistance liquidity bands. See, now we're retesting the order block. I would actually be bold to do another buy here. Like right there. Oh, that's not that great, but I still think we're gonna hold. Let's see. Yeah, TP, I would probably put one here. I would probably do like, I don't know, like 80% here and just leave the rest around like, yeah, 20%. Like if we're thinking really, let's see. Seller made how much? Yeah, 10 units, 10,000 units. Seller made, and I'm gonna put another one. Let's remove the take profit. And I would do another, I mean, I should have done more actually, my bad. Let's see, sell limit I would do probably like 15 or 18. Let's say 16. Oops. What did I do? 16 of the position. But wait, how many? Wait, this 2 million. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is good. Do like a sell limit here, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the 400,000 at the top here as a runner. That's how I would trade this, probably, like just not having rules and not having anything. That's how I would trade it. Let's see, just out of curiosity. For now it looks good though. It looks like it's really holding that order block that we had. Let me mark this differently because it just hurts my eyes. Just out of curiosity, at least if we don't have valid trades, at least let's demo it. And yeah, at this point, here's where I will go break even. This is gonna take a lot of time to deliver fully towards there. That's why it's troll to leave, to really leave more than this size. Even this, I feel like, even how much is this? Like 20%. I mean, that's decent. It's not that bad, but still it's a bit too much. I would not even leave like 10% because once we reach this area, it's so likely to see some retracements and some shit. And of course, we might also fail. Like that's also a reason. That's why I don't trade this live. I didn't take this trade, but generally it does look decent. But yeah, what the fuck did I say? Yeah. At this equilibrium kind of getting respected here. I think we didn't really come for that, but we're gonna see. It's just curious. I'm curious how this is gonna play out. Yup. Let's see this. This also retest here. We might see that break lower, but oops. I still kind of doubt it. Ooh. Dax fucking flew off our zone. Oh my god, there's a big ass fucking spider. Oh my god, bruh. How the fuck do I kill? Oh my god, he's so big. He's a big boy. A big boy. Don't I have like a shoe or some shit to kill him? I don't like killing not even spiders, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Do I have like a shoe or some shit? Oh my god, bro. That boy is big. That boy is big. How the fuck do I do this though? I have a towel. Do I just throw the towel and snap him? Oh my god, he's big as fuck. Big boy. I don't know what to do because if I throw the towel, it's gonna fall on my monitor. Maybe do it from like the side. Nice. Bullseye. Oh my god, I hit him so well. He's still alive? Big boy, how are you still alive? Bro, how are you still alive, bro? Now he's not alive anymore. I don't like killing insects, but better than getting bitten. Yeah, this is kind of looking like it's failing now. Maybe you even comfort this low there. Yeah, this is bullish on UK. I do like being bullish here. I do like this area. I do like the 50-minute gap. Can we just trade? Oops. Towards this. Ooh, wait. Isn't this good though? So we have this internal. We don't need to be more than this on this trade. We also have like the 4-hour, which I like. I was always inclined to being bullish here, and we have this really strong area. And the thing is, a buy would be fine until this POI, but I don't think it's gonna retrace. I think it just looks like a breakaway. Yeah, it just looks like a breakaway and looks like it's gonna keep going. So, but yeah, if we look at price, this can be definitely a decent trade to take to reach those equal highs. But what if I market it here? Probably not, to be honest. But yeah, it does look good because we have internal, and it's just like very iffy context overall. And I wouldn't. This is where my buy really stops. The thing is, you also have these, which yeah, just fuck the idea in a sense. But yeah, we're just gonna watch it for funsies. It's too many opposing structures. Too much here. But yeah, it's fun to watch it at least. Oh yeah, Euro's doing pretty well here. Look how the fuck it filled that fucking gap perfectly. What is this shit? What is this shit? I also want to watch UK, but yeah, I'm not gonna take any trades, most likely. Not gonna take any trades, very, very likely. Oops. Yeah, this really looks like a breakaway though. Bruh, it's slightly boring to not be having any trades, but it's better to sit on the bench rather than forcing trades, to be honest. It's way better than losing. Definitely way better. Yeah, Euro's kind of flipping bearish. This is why I said it was risky. Some days are just for demo trading, but we'll see. Depends how we hold this. If we hold this. If we inverse it, we're pretty much clear reaching back into these equal lows here. And that means most likely our stop loss is going to be over. Yeah, if we do this. Look at that retest also on UK of that breaker. Oops, what the fuck did I do? Kind of retested this 50-minute, and yeah, this is over. This is hitting stop loss. Because yeah, we have equal lows here. Maybe not hitting stop loss, but maybe coming only towards these equal lows. But yeah, retest the 50-minute here with that wick. Yes sir. Yeah, it looked good like a trade. This is what I wanted to see here on Euro as well when I'm drawing higher, right? That's exactly what I wanted to see before this PI. I wanted to see some liquidity not the before this PI. Like see some sort of equal highs, another reason to be drawing higher rather than just a PI. That's why DAX is working as well, and because of higher time frame being massively bullish. But what if should have I? Yeah, I mean I wouldn't have taken it either. Yeah, this is bearish. This is flipping in the stop loss. That's definitely reaching at least here. But this should work easily. We should hold this now. Just hold that higher, fulfill that TP. Then after that TP gets hit, we don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, we already reached this. Just for fun reason, let's make the stop loss a bit bigger. Just for funsies. Yeah, this should hold higher easily. Let's do a buy market here. Stop loss below. Oops, we're inversing, really. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, Euro's failing, definitely. Some days be really for demo trading, though. I mean, yeah, we can just take this as a draw, then we trace, come back into this area, retest it, and then fulfill TP. But yeah, this is pretty much over this Euro trade. Yeah, Asian high taken. We did it. That's why we didn't even take this high, because of Asian high taken. It doesn't mean necessarily that the trade will not stand, as long as we hold this 50-minute. But yeah, that's why I trade stop loss here. Yeah, this definitely failed massively. I think the first signs that we're gonna fail were when we didn't fulfill off this order block, and when we started closing below. Especially here, is where I would have definitely closed. Because if you would have closed here, think about it, you would have gotten out at probably, I don't know, like 10-20% of your initial stop loss size. At this point, it was very clear we're reaching into these, because we also had, yeah, we had sell side to reach into. But it doesn't mean it's not gonna hold of this. It's just interesting to demo trade. But yeah, demo trade never really works out for me, because most of the time I'm taking shitty trades. I'm taking trades that I consider low probability that I wouldn't really take for my. Yeah, I don't know how to save you, bro. Demo trade like me. That's how you save boredom. See, Dax. That's how I save boredom. That's how I stay sane. That's how I stay mentally sane when there's no trading days. Yeah, this is flipping hella fucking bearish as well. Yes, sir. We're out that shit. Yeah, we're waiting on. Weird. I was expecting us to continue here. We're probably gonna come for this breaker though, and then fulfill higher prices. Demo trade, brody, or go full margin. That's how you escape boredom. Just go full margin. Yeah, this is pretty bad though. Look at this. You know what I would do here? Like this, I would still choose to do this. Like a buy stop of that inversion. That's better. Full port. Yeah, bro. I'm getting entertained. For me, let me just full port so I entertain you. Let me just full port, gang. You go full port, brody. Full port. What are we full porting? I don't know, this buy here. I mean, this wouldn't even be a bad buy to full port, I would say. Like a buy stop here. But buy stops are risky, though. Still risky. But not that bad, though. Full port. I'm full porting this shit. I'm executing right now. Yeah, this is very bearish. Look at bearish order flow here on Euro. It's actually interesting. Just study price, but don't think about trades. Just study price. Like, I feel like this is what I struggle with a lot of times, is just enjoying trading when there's only trades to be taken. But there's actually things to enjoy when even there's no trade. Like even here, if I'm looking at price, I'm actually enjoying seeing price action like this. You know what I mean? Even yeah, the demo doesn't matter that the demo ended up in a loss, but I'm just saying, like, it's just beautiful to watch price. It actually is. Even though it's technically a waste of time, you're not making money. For me, it's still fun to even watch something like this. And yes, getting destroyed this buy. Always improving with demos. Always why I skip trades, bro. What's up? Yeah, we're just demoing today, bro. We just be chilling. Yeah, this is over Ineos. But I'm not gonna close. You never know. Now it's closed. Okay, so let's look at this price here. It's actually interesting. So let's analyze. I also did get into something that I enjoy and I forgot, bro. It's like such a long time. once I didn't do this like draw on charts with my drawing tablet, bro. That shit is fun as hell. It's fun to study. Hey, streamer, bro. Fuck you. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. I'm not streaming to entertain, by the way. If you didn't know. If you didn't know this. Like here, Asia High was taken. Oh, why isn't it working? Yeah, Asia High was taken. So what does it mean? This high is unlikely to get taken. It's a king. How the fuck do I draw a crown, though, gang? How the fuck do I draw a crown? Okay, that's decent. So means this is very unlikely to get taken because Asia High was already taken. So it's more likely that this holds as a supply. And what the fuck we actually do, we have the supply. Let me try and draw this shit. We have a supply and we have all these equal heights here. We just come to sweep them, then we fucking reverse. We initially start holding this, we don't. We have a small reaction to the sweep the liquidity, and as soon as we close back below, it's pretty much over. Print this bearish gap, we print equal lows here, and then we just hold bearish gaps, and we're probably gonna keep holding this becoming target. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice if you look at it that way, like studying price here. Because here also the displacement was very whack on the move up. There's no gaps. It was clear like only a Judas swing. Yeah, also this was the perfect Judas swing if you think about it. Yeah, bro, shut your bitch ass up, bro. This was the perfect Judas swing. Let's see how much did it take. It basically did, I think, the first 5 minutes of London. Yeah, the perfect Judas swing. The Judas swing just baited all the buyers in, and including me on the demo, of course. Perfect Judas swing of this. Hold the supply and then fucking reverse. What did it retest here? That's kind of what I'm wondering. What did it retest? Because I don't see maybe a 30-second like imaginary inverse around this bullish cap, or maybe this. Let me see. Where's the line? Where's the line, bro? Oh yeah, I think it executed my... Where's the fucking line? I knew there was a line. Did it remove that shit? Oh, here. I wanted to see if it retested this. It kinda almost did. How the fuck do you tap me in there? The fuck? I think he tried coming for this on this retest. I'm trying to understand what did it retest exactly. Almost, yeah. Trying to retest this inversion. Equal low. It was very nice internal liquidity. Like as soon as we saw this, already know that the market is about to flip, to be honest. As soon as we saw these equal lows and we built a very nice continuation gap here. This could have been maybe like a short execution just to target this low, if you think about it. But stop loss would have been pretty big though. It would have been like a 1 hour. Stop loss above the inversion, target this low. Like just thinking about PA, like in terms of, yeah, flipping. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's look at, I think this is definitely, yeah, it already hit. This was interesting. Nice price action here on the 1 minute. Let's see the other pairs. DAX, I don't really want to study DAX. So Geo flipped way harder. Way harder. I did expect Geo, to be honest, to be printing bearish for the day. Even off here, I think Geo was the weakest with also AU. Ooh, look at that shit. That was kind of gross. Let me do this. This retest on AU was fucking gross. Yeah, this would have been a decent short if we think about it, but I wouldn't have taken it on that 4-hour inverse on higher time frame. Wouldn't have taken it, no fucking way in hell. But I think we had an hourly inversion, or hourly order block in a sense. This is a good place because we know in such big fucking legs, what we're probably gonna use as POIs is gonna be order blocks, especially when we just have it hanging here. I think this is a 50-minute FVG as well. Like in terms of context, it was decent. Buy side liquidity raid here, so it had buy side liquidity raid into 50-minute gap that is inside. It didn't really reach it, kind of reached this small one here into an order block. Then it fucking consolidated, broke below. This is our trigger of pricing lower. As soon as we broke below this inversion, it generally means yeah, we're reaching lower intuition low. And then we get this fucking cleanest fucking retest here. We use this We use this 5-minute bullish gap to retest that 50-minute inverse. Yeah, and 1-minute price action was also pretty fucking clean here. Let's see, I want to break it down. What strategy to use? I just trade off 50-minute FVGs and 50-minute inverses, pretty much. Like this is the perfect, like this is an inverse, a break below the inverse retest, then you can trade lower. In this case, I wouldn't have traded because of context, but I just want to see what price did. Buy sell liquidity rate, again, this inversion was kind of interesting, but we wicked the inversion on here without getting like a 1-minute candle retracement. This was first entry, like first potential entry, stop loss, very nice place for stop loss, comes above the inversion. Then the second place would have been on this continuation gap lower. This could have been like a scaling or some shit on this. Yeah, this was actually fucking clean, I'm not gonna lie, on AU. So let's see, what if we would have taken this first on this wick here? We would have been in the trade, target Asian low, oops. This would have been 2.6, and the second gap would have been here, stop loss above the inversion. Almost a 2-hour again, I think a 1.5, yeah. This was clean, not gonna lie. And yeah, we could have also targeted this. I wouldn't have, but yeah. This setup was actually decent. The only reason I wouldn't take it is first, sell was taken. Second, 4-hour bullish AVG. I don't want to be buying into this shit. 4-hour and yeah, pre-overextended, but as kind of like price action based, it's pretty clean. Yeah, it was a pretty nice break. Yeah, UJ is inversing again. Yeah, nice here. No clear retest. Almost tried retesting it that way, but it didn't. Oh, this was here. Nah, Brody. I'm watching PA. Sorry, Brody. I think yeah. In terms of probably strength, the least pair we wanted to short was Euro. Is it stronger? Let's see 4-hour. Let's compare and see. Oh my god, look at GU. Look how much weaker GU is compared to Euro. Let's see. Yeah, Euro was the strongest one, higher time frame. So we usually want to choose the weakest one, higher time frame, to short. I think GU was actually the weakest. Yeah, even weaker than AU though. But on taken low, hell no. Why AU was better? Because we didn't have an external low getting taken. That's why it was better to short. Yeah, but this was pretty clean. Should have I taken it? Probably not. Even if it's clean, it doesn't mean that I should have taken it, but it worked pretty nicely. Let's see what Yuki be doing. Okay, it did tap us pretty nice here. Let's just see this. So bored, bro. Just go do something, bro. It's not my job to entertain you, brody. Go play some, I don't know. Go eat some octopus, or what did you say you eat? Octopus? I think, yeah. Octopussies. Octopussy. Up. Yeah, this night retest here. Let's see. Full port. I'm already full porting this shit. I'm 5% in. I mean, it should be a point of no return generally. I think so. Meaning we should really easily reach into the high, but we can also fail definitely. I don't want to. Have you ever thought that maybe I don't want to? At least right now. But I kinda want to though. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda want to. I'm just gonna take a small break and gonna come back and react, but yeah, there's not much price to study. I wanna backtest also. I really wanna study a bit more. Like this is, bro, I miss just studying price so much, bro. I used to do that shit when I was a beginner so much. Like even if you see, not necessarily a beginner, but I used to do it way more often. If you see here, I was really studying, like noting what is happening, where are we doing this, just with my drawing tablet, and this is helping you a lot, and it's very, I don't know, it's very nice. I really enjoy studying like this, so that's what I'm trying to probably get into, and just love studying as I used to do before. Because now, like, your mind can really easily slip on just trading. Just, oh, I want my setups, I take in my setups, and I'm done. Nah, stuff. Why would I study when I'm profitable? Nah, bro. Just for the kind of love of it. Because I just love studying, and yeah, no. I just love studying, and I kind of, once you're profitable, you don't need to study anymore, but you don't need to do it to necessarily get better. I would do it just because I enjoy doing it in a sense. Look at this 50-minute wick though. Kinda crazy, isn't it? I would still not trade this. Definitely not though. Definitely not. Was there an opportunity here to buy? I mean, it was maybe, yeah, of London Open here on the sweep of the low. Maybe had a buy here. We ended up having a bit of a deeper pullback, but yeah, UK hit TP apparently. Yeah, pretty clean scalp. Maybe could have even taken this. Probably not. On the live, on the funded, my bad. But yeah, it was pretty clean. And now on the inversion, we can anticipate higher prices if we do inverse. But look at this wick, bro. That's crazy. Like, this area is extremely strong. Why is this area extremely strong? I talked about this area yesterday as well. Because it's a fucking, first of all, look at this. This area swept this low. It's a big ass order block, and there's another order block within it. Like, it's so crazy. It's just a very, very strong area. And if we go on the 50-minute, between inside those two order blocks, we have a 50-minute FVG, bro. 50-minute inverse actually with a 50-minute FVG, just too strong of an area. And look what it caused: one, two, three, four, five, six reactions. It's crazy. A very strong area, definitely. I think, yeah, considering higher time frame and shit, we should be reaching. UK, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna reach here today, but it's just very iffy price action. Very iffy. So yeah, I'm gonna go smoke a cig, and I'm gonna be back. We're probably gonna react to Denny. Then I'm gonna back test. 'Cause I just wanna study more, to be honest. Man, shut your bitch ass up, bro. still struggling, so the TP was good. 35? Yeah, definitely 35, Brody. What a fucking degen. Shut your bitch ass hell, bro. You be eating octopus and kebab with pineapple and you talk about being a degen? Really? I still want to think about this though. I kind of like it's very low resistance, so I might take this because I'm pretty confident in a higher time frame here. But I don't know. The context is a bit weird, and we do have a bit of resistance on the high, so I'm thinking about taking this. If you get like a retracement, and then a break higher, and then I don't know. But why doesn't it let me place an alert? I want to place an alert here. Let's react to Mr. Denny because he keeps streaming. That's what I appreciate about him. This was, I think, you said playlist. Let me see. This was a really nice playlist. Oh shit, it's too strong. This was a really nice playlist, bro. Let me see. Let me send this to you because you might your playlist, bro. What is your playlist? Can you hear it though? I think so. Let's react to our Danny. He keeps live streaming though every single day. This guy is live streaming. Live trading Nasdaq futures in 20 minutes. This guy definitely. Oh, he's not even showing his account balance anymore. Let me make the audio higher because you need to hear this guy.
Bobby. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's make this bread now. All right, so
let's make this bread, gangs.
I'm gonna share my camera.
Let me mute.
What's going on, fam? Much have. I'm good. I'm just gonna shoot for a small day, and then we're gonna up. I'll get. I didn't even read. So let's see what we get.
Wait, what? This guy fucking entered 2K?
And then let's go from there. All right, so.
Did he buy here? What is the size, bro?
I'm gonna do 5 pounds
Only?
Market is moving fast.
How's the market moving fast? You just made a fucking candle. You're just too over fucking risked, brody. Yeah, that's why he's gonna end the stream short. I did already say this guy's gonna lose a lot of money in the stream. Oh my fucking god. The price just moved couple of ticks and he's fucking minus 2K, bro. You're not moving hard, you're just over fucking risked. He's out? Why? How much is that? I don't know how to read ticks. I don't know how much is that, but it's probably not a lot, bro. Can't hear Danny? How the fuck can you not hear him?
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go long again. I'm long again. Why are my entries being delayed? Why is there so much slippage? I don't understand this. Alright, I'm long again. Holy crap.
Oh my god, this guy just entered 10 contracts. Oh my fucking god. This guy just price moved. I don't know. Half a candle and he's already up 4K, which is fucking crazy.
Crap. This is moving, guys. Stop to break even. Stop to break even. Holy. The market is moving fast. What is...
This guy is so delusional, bro. He's saying that the market is moving fast, meanwhile the market doesn't move fucking fast. It's just that he's over risk, bro. This guy, bro. Something else
going on right now? All right. Jeez, well, I'm taking this. I'm taking that. Dude, market's moving fast, guys.
It's moving fast, guys. Trust. It just didn't make one fucking candle. That is moving fast, guys. Not that the fact that I'm 10 contracts in.
And that entry was OP, low key. I'm not even size down. Really trade. If I make 10K on this one, I'm done. Holy, 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 holy. Hasn't even been like 20 minutes of this stream.
Well, here, there's two decisions he can make. Be fine with fucking 4K, which is a normal car to buy and it's a lot of fucking money. Or he can just lose it in the next 10 minutes. What do you guys think he's gonna do?
I'm up already. Stop loss is gonna be at the bottom of this.
Oh, this guy is so heavy. There's no fucking way. Price moves.
Stop loss is gonna be at
Fucking barely moves and he's minus 2K, bro. Like, that shit is still crazy to me.
the bottom of
This guy is probably risking like at least 7-8K on his position. Like, that's crazy on a fucking no-brainer trade.
this. All right. I probably no. It is moving.
He just lost all that 4K in one candle, bro. One candle, he lost already all the profit that he made, bro. No reason? Yeah, bro, I feel you. I feel you, bro. Some days we be like this, brody. Just gotta live it up, go through that shit. But Danny's here to make our day better, to take our depression away.
Moving, guys. Damn, we're going long in. All right, shoot.
Bro, price moved like this much. You can't even see how much I'm moving, and he's up 2K. Like, that shit is crazy, though.
Dude, market is moving, guys. Stop loss at the low of the candle.
If he's holding to this high, he's probably making like 15K. 15K, 10K at least. And that's what he should hold, because look at this inversion market. This is a very nice 22 model. Can I fucking do this? It's a very nice 22 model. There's only one thing missing to this 22 model, which is this low getting rated. But that's market structure shift, inversion, gap. Like, that's a very nice 22 model to look to target this high, but it's only missing that liquidity rate.
Stop loss is at break even now. 488 is my entry. 2488. 50 for stop loss is at break even. Stop loss at break even of 6K. Oh my gosh. I'm out. 9,700 on.
Look at this shit, bro. He just made 9K. Like, how heavy are you, gang, on this, bro? This is not even 1 hour. I don't think it's 1 hour. Let's look at this.
This can. I'm gonna go from
0.4. Oh my
More.
god.
Stop loss is at break.
So on 0.4, maybe at most 1 hour, this guy made 9K. Just think about how heavy this guy is going. That's why he's not even showing his account balance. He's probably still using the 10K account. Like, full margin in every trade.
Break even for me. I got 400 on the day right now, guys. Don't say much.
Very easy. He could have held toward that height and probably doubled this fucking P&L. But yeah, like, here I would just call it a day, gang. Like, can you just call it a day for once? Like, this is a lot of money. It's not little. It's a lot of fucking money. Can you just call it a day?
Ooh. Y'all already that.
It's gonna take 2 more seconds until he says, okay, guys, I'm long again. Just look it.
All right. I'm going to shoot for a 30K day. At this point, at this rate, all right, I'm going 10 longs again.
10 contracts, bro. How much is that shit? I don't know in terms of NASDAQ and risk, but I already know that shit is heavy. That's like probably like 50 lots in Forex or some shit, bro.
10 longs here. 24.18. I'm going to go for 30.30. Easy. Easy today. I'm out. Oh my gosh. Dude, we just hit it. I'm out. Guys, 11,800.
Bro, this guy, how is this guy making money, bro? Gnarly Danny making Banks, he is actually, but he's gonna definitely lose it all by the end of the stream. In 20 minutes, he made 12K and he's gonna lose it all.
140 cents. Who wants the 40 cents? And on Telegram. I'll make a Telegram though. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. I'm long again, guys. 10 contracts.
Oh, this is easy, guys. 10 cons, 10 contracts, but now I'm gonna increase to 20. Like
20 contracts, bro. That's more than this. That's more than his PNL, I can guarantee you.
like I said, this account has. I started this account with $25,000, and right now it's at 104.
Oh, I started with this with 25K, guys, and I'm just like risking 50% of the account on some stupid fucking trades I'm taking. Nothing serious, guys. Like, this is nothing, bro.
49,000. That's really good. 10 cons in the shorts.
10 cons in the shorts. Why are you shorting? Bro, you just had all your job was to just hold that buy from that point to this high or even here, and you would have made so much money. Like, why are you keep closing, entering, closing, and why are you short now though, gang? Oh, he's gonna lose all this profit in this trade
24.
unless he's lucky.
We are in a supply. I'm short, guys. I'm short now. Dude, how do I know how to call the tops and everything?
Watch him get fucking humbled. Watch him get massively humbled because of this.
I'm short now. Dude, how do I know how to call the tops and everything? I'm gonna go for 50-50.
He's gonna get so humbled on this.
This is so easy money right here. If you follow Danny's trades,
He's getting so overconfident. It's crazy, bro.
follow me, you're gonna make bread, you know.
Gonna make bread, gangs. You're gonna make breadies.
I should have gone 20 cons on this, honestly. Risk 5K to make another 5K.
20 cons. You're gonna get humbled, baby. You're gonna lose all that shit.
24,557 is my stop. I don't like going heavy on positions that, you know, are reversal positions. So
Guys, if you like, just follow me. You're gonna make money. Look at this bullshit trade.
I'm already up 11K on the day, but all right, profits. Not all of them, but I'm risking a lot of profits.
Now you know why he's reacting, because we had a 1 minute AVG here. It might actually work if he's holding his
Look
TP.
at that ad though, on a real note.
But I highly doubt that shit.
One.
With no structure, shorting into 10 fucking bullish candles is very risky.
Hit our TP. Stop loss to break even on. Oh my gosh, I already moved it.
Stop loss to break even, not zero break even.
Short.
Why are you shorting, bro? Why, bro?
Alright.
He's shorting again. Let me see.
Trigger on these shorts. Again.
Yeah, again.
Now.
Why? It's gonna.
Dude,
My god! Look at this shit.
Dude, I just messed up really bad. This is gonna keep pumping on me, huh?
And you're gonna keep holding, even though you know it's gonna keep pumping. You're gonna keep holding, and all this is gonna be gone, bro.
I over leveraged way too much. That was
100 lots, really? Look at this shit.
Not supposed to happen.
Oh no! Look at this. This guy is not real. In 10 minutes, he made 12K and he lost it all in one stupid fucking trade because he got overconfident. How do I know? Like, remember what you said?
Okay. This is so easy. How do I know how to call the tops and everything? I'm short now. Dude, how do I know how to call the tops and everything? I'm gonna go for 50-50.
This is so easy, guys.
On this. This is so easy money right here. If you follow Danny's trades, if you follow me, you're gonna make bread.
If you follow me, guys, you're gonna make bread. 3 minutes later.
What just happened? What
You
just
just
happened?
lost, and now he's gonna revenge trade. Now he's gonna keep shorting. Now he's gonna go into drawdown, and by the end of the stream, he's gonna be heavy into drawdown.
Dude, I just went back to break even.
You fucking idiot, bro. This guy is a meme,
I
bro.
clicked my mouse too many times, guys.
That's it, guys. He just mistakenly clicked his mouse too many times. Actually, he didn't want to go like 20 contracts in on a stupid short. He didn't say it's easy money. He didn't say it's none of that shit, bro. What do you mean? Yeah, we're gonna do a call maybe.
That was not supposed to happen. That key level. So get the short level. So one more time.
Wait.
Unless we break 60. All right, I'm going short one more time.
I'm going short, guys. And fucking the biggest bullish momentum ever. Like, he's not waiting, bro. Like, how are you trading like this, bro? Like, he's not waiting for nothing, bro. He's just shorting off. Yeah, I understand there's a gap here, but you need to wait for some sort of fucking structure before shorting. You're just shorting here, into this fucking candles. You're crazy, bro. Every prop for him. Yeah, I feel you, bro.
Going short again. That was stupid.
This is not stupid, gang. Trust.
That is insane.
You're totally
bro.
not
On
gonna
a
get
real
stopped
note,
out of that breaker, and totally not. Price is gonna hold off this order block here. Just chilling. You chilling, bro.
in here. Stop loss at the high here.
It's definitely gonna hold that order block into these highs, bro.
That was not
So
supposed to
that's
happen.
how he just went from 12K in profit, and now he's -2 drawdown. He legitimately lost 15K in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. He was just saying that, guys, if you follow me, you're making money.
Guys. Wow. I should... Alright. I'm gonna go.
Oh my god, bro, why didn't you just keep buying, bro? You could have held that shit. You could have made 100K if you just held that fucking buy, bro. And now he's longing when price is so fucking overextended. He might reach into that high though.
I'm in the longs.
Like, this is a bit lucky, but why didn't you just keep longing though, bro?
The shorts obviously aren't popping up, so I'm getting a lot of phone.
And now it's actually a chance he's gonna get a reaction, because highs most of the times do offer a reaction before getting taken, which is still crazy.
Dude. Up though.
Oh my fucking god, bro. -8K, bro. Nah, this guy is not real, bro. And now he's not gonna stand. He's not gonna be able to accept the fact that this is where he's at now, and then he's gonna keep revenge trading and digging the hole more and more and more, and just spiraling into drawdown.
There goes my profits from yesterday.
So he lost his profits from yesterday, and he also lost 12 fucking K, bro. That shit is a lot of money, bro.
Wow.
This guy is definitely a gambler. Like, a characteristic gamblers have is they don't know when to stop. They don't know when to stop. They cannot accept a certain amount and be done for the day. They cannot do that shit.
Sucks. I was up 11K. Alright, we're taking
You deserve that. Wait. He just slapped his face, realized that he's stupid, and now he entered again.
Alright, we're taking the short now.
I'm taking the short now.
This is it. Last trade.
Bro, he's gonna get so stuffed out again. This high is not taken. Price just created more liquidity. This is just a temporary reaction of the highs, and he's gonna get fucking stuffed out again.
Down 25K though, so I'm calling the stream.
This guy is not real, bro. This guy is not a human being. Not an like nah. It's not real. It's not real, bro. It's not real. It's not real. It's a fever dream. It's not real. He's keeping this, bro. On God, I'm downloading this stream, bro. On God, I'm downloading this stream, because this guy, I have a feeling that he's gonna he's gonna delete this stream. But this is probably the most DJ trading I've ever seen. Like, this is the worst the worst thing this guy has ever pulled until now. Like, it's not real to go from 12k profit into minus 20k drawdown, and it's not real for you to short here, bro. It's not real. It's just an illusion, bro. This guy is not real.
I'm done. I'm not trading anymore.
Now, he had a 25k account. He was at almost 40k. Now he's at 5k, bro. 5k.
Damn it.
He could have just keep buying it. He would have been at 100k, bro.
I'm down 20k. Holy shit.
You're a fucking degen, bro.
Wow. What a retard I am.
Congrats.
I was at $11,000.
Congrats.
7k on the week.
Idiot.
Retarded am I?
You're fucking
You know what,
retarded.
guys?
Why are you shorting? Do you not have any idea of bias, any idea of liquidity, any idea of pretty much anything, bro? This guy's just pressing button with fucking 5-10k risk, bro, which is crazy. That's even worse than gambling, not gonna lie.
I'm pissed.
It's even worse than gambling, because you're actively choosing to gamble when you know in this space you can actually make money by you using your fucking brain and using some rules. It's just worse than gambling when you choose to gamble, when there's options for you to do this and actually make this kind of money on a consistent basis, but you're choosing to gamble. It's just even worse than that shit.
I'm super pissed right now.
Now he removed his PNL because of course he's ashamed that he lost this much. Like, you cannot not be ashamed.
All right. If we
But
take long,
for him, he's never enough to be ashamed. He never takes fucking actions, which is crazy, bro.
what's up? All right.
And now he's
Let's do
longing
it.
when the market actually is gonna retrace. Like, bro,
Make-
his entries are so fucking bad, bro. Like, I really think the market is gonna retrace back into this area now because we just took this high.
Make an easy comeback here. I was up 11. All right, let's do it.
Or maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong.
All right, where's 604?
I think he's in this trade. He's risking the rest of the account size. Where does he have money from to keep funding these accounts? I guess from this, maybe from the fact that he's 20k. It's funny. I agree. Going into sacks, there's no way guys are supporting this shit. Yeah, he. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Why you can't stop? Oh my fucking god, this guy is a
24,
degen. Wait, why? I mean, yeah, my alert didn't get tapped here anyways. I wanted to buy UK, but
604.
it is what it is.
Over leveraging to get my money back. I need it.
I need it. He's gonna lose this also.
50. We got stopped out on this. I'm done. I'm ending the stream. One mistake. One mistake. All right,
Oh my
I'm out.
god, he's done. Oh my fucking god, bro. It's not real. It's not real. That I think this is the worst trading day I've ever seen
Make
from
this-
him. It's the worst trading day, bro. This guy just lost his account. Oh my fucking god. And he actually had a video where he was trading a student. Trading a student to do what, bro? The only future strategy you need?
Alright.
I'm scared of this shit,
So
bro.
guys, many of you guys always wonder, Daddy Trades, what strategy are you using?
You're not using any strategy, hopes and prayers.
And I always make jokes in the live, I know. Sorry. Okay, but lives get very intense, they're very fun. And you guys already know, you know, personally, which is a split is I could teach you guys the strategy over with this supply zone.
How is that a supply zone, bro? There's no way you're legitimately serious, bro. What is... I'm curious, how much has this guy been trading for? If he's trading more than 5 years, I would just like hang myself, legitimately. I don't know what timing that is. That's let's see what timing that is. That's Bangkok, your home country, 6. I don't know why though. It's Bangkok and Jakarta. Some reason I don't know what that shit is. I don't know actually.
Is that the demand zone? On supply, it'd be the opposite. When we fly in supply zones, I'll show you, and you can read. And then there's a.
Wait, wait,
I
wait.
hate down here. Look. Well, see, ooh, split. Look at what happened at the split. Right into AOI. Right into the AOI.
You're totally not knowing this price action, gang. You're totally not knowing it.
Ooh. Right. Honestly,
Bro, this is definitely the worst fucking day I've ever seen from him. This is definitely, this guy needs to be fucking roasted or some shit. Like, when is this guy gonna fucking wake up, bro? I wanna know info about him. For how long has he been trading though? Because there's no way you're fucking real. There's no way you're really doing this over like 5 years of trading. There's 22 million views. I think that's just from shorts, not gonna lie. He has probably a lot of views from shorts, yeah. Unstoppable as fuck.
You know what? I'm gonna take some longs here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss at the low. So I might even add more longs. Hold on, guys. I'm out, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
7K, guys. I'm out. I'm done. I'm done.
New traders Lawson.
Today I made $968.96.
Oh my god. After taking 200 trades, you made $900.
On a $10,000 account. Why am I doing this when I could just be trading 15, 20 cons and just full pouring every trade and making $20,000 in a day? The reason is because social media is rotten. We have so many new traders coming to trading and they're watching all these influencers making a lot of money. And once they start failing, they start to think, I'm trying to do what they're doing.
Bro, this guy is in no place to be talking nothing about trading, like nothing. No strategy, no advice, legitimately nothing. He's not in the place mentally, and he's not in the place to do anything.
Account went down to 6K. This is the reason I don't care what anyone says. We're at 12,000 now. And yes, I did trade again. And so what? Like, some of you traders think you guys set the rules for what is a trader and what is not a trader. If you think I'm a gambler, well, guess what? You're not turning 10K into 12K in 2 days like me. And even if I go down.
Like, please don't tell me this guy legitimately just said that, bro. Legitimately just said that. There's no fucking way. He legitimately just said, I'm not even gonna try and say nothing.
To 3K, I'm not gonna quit on this account until it's at 100K. It's all done live. It's all done on the live. Now, I'm not talking trash or talking down on any influencers, but you know what? Not a single influencer I see.
Bruh. Literally 2 days and now he's back scamming. He's a guru. And last 10K saw it live. Now he deleted the video. Get your fake. But how is he not selling anything though? Like, I do want to see something more about this guy, bro. I want to see Danny's trades. I want to see, I don't know. I know Iman had exposing Danny's trades. I'm kind of curious what this guy is saying about him. Why is my internet not fucking working? Let's see this as well.
What do you guys think's gonna happen? We're gonna pump or dump. Well, guess what? I think we're gonna pump, so I'm gonna start going long. This is gonna be my last trade, guys. I'm long. Just fully send the longs right now. This is very risky what I'm doing, but I'm already up 17K, so
I'm already up 17K, so might as well just take a risky trade instead of, bro. Like, nah, this guy is not. He's not human. He's AI.
it doesn't affect me. I'm probably gonna pull the seconds. Financial advice. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah.
I told you guys to full pour everything, and it just hit.
Trader makes
Oh
20.
my god, bro. The funniest fake guru. I think I saw this one. I do want to see this one though. and then I'm probably gonna back this a bit. The market's not doing
We're up
much.
400 bucks. We made it all back.
Ooh, we
Let's
got a
go.
retest, but look at this, such an accurate fucking retest. Look at this, but drone liquidity is already taken out. My trade would have been present if we yeah, had a retest here. What a degen, bro. Yeah, bro, I don't know. Like at this point, oh my fucking god.
All right, now we go again. Dude, what the fuck, man?
Order filled.
I didn't know this clip, bro.
This is Danny. He was just forced into a shame.
I have made the wait. I have made the decision to step down from my role and involvement at Funded Futures Family. Oh, so this is he was his firm. A strong, healthy, and growing. This decision was not an easy one, aligned with my desire to focus fully on trading. Focus fully on gambling, you mean?
Full departure from his own company.
Bro. Ting tong.
But neither of those clips
Bro, what is this guy, bro? Bruh.
are why we're here. This video is, which is why he quickly deleted it from YouTube, and also why I immediately downloaded it before his career-ending mistake could be buried.
Is it worth it for me?
And I'm just gonna log into my account right now, and then I'll just go straight to my Trade 08 screen. Obviously, you guys can see it's a live account now. You guys can see it's the same account number that I used the day of the live stream. You know, and I want to show you guys now that my positions were true. And we're just gonna click go.
Danny is now bringing up the trade history from his broker to prove that he's using a real account and that he makes money from trading. Note the live account number there. Now let's put this in the editor and back the money from trading.
If he's a live account, minus 700, minus 4k, minus 2k, minus 1k, bro. Bruh. Yes, ChatGPT generator. Like even if you're showing this, you still lost so much money, bro.
Note the live account number there. Now let's put this in the editor and back the video up to the very first frame after the go button was pressed. Ah, did you see that? When using the video editor and my arrow keys to go back and forth by one single frame, you can see that there are two different screens showing up. So let's zoom in on the very first frame, which is only visible.
My fucking god, it's even worse than the fucking edited
for
photo,
1/100th
bro.
of a second.
Look at this shit, bro. Oh my fucking god. Minus 5k, minus 4k, minus 12k, minus 14k, minus 14k. And he's, what is this? 20 contracts or what is this? Is this his size?
As you can see, this
On
is not
it's on a demo, yeah, but still it's fucking
a
garbage.
live account, it's a demo account. When Danny made this video, he missed the correct starting placement of his photoshopped trading results by a single frame.
This is the account I started with 24k, and then you guys will also see that my total P&L is 300,000.
Just for a minute, forget that he's already been exposed as a fraud because of the earlier mistake. This is supposedly Danny's real account where he turned 25k into $300,000. Quite impressive, but do you know what expectancy means? You see that $10,000 that was lost in commissions, and how the negative number or loss is denoted by parentheses? Well, so's the expectancy. According to this report, Danny lost an average of $199 over those 1,017 trades. In fact, the values in this picture means that the total P&L should actually be a loss of $200,000. According to my math professor, it proves he's not trading a
Math professor.
real account and that he's a fraud. And now that we're here, I have a chance to bring up something about him that nobody has ever seen. But first, Twitter erupted.
What is this? I'm going to be owed a lot of apologies and potentially a lot of money in defamation. What is this? Uncle Book. Try to rep to join me and verify that my trading is real. Yeah, bro. Make them eat their words, Danny. They're gonna look bad.
After the editing mistake was spotted, and Danny reacted by saying he'd be owed apologies and potentially a lot of money in defamation. Versed by from them would have been Trade privately taking action on Express, accusing someone of exactly what Danny himself got caught doing.
Something Patrick cannot do because he sim trades, you know, but we're over here, you know, balling on the real thing, you know, because Patrick is just defamation and a liar, and twice my age. He's fat.
You caught multiple times a few years ago pretending to be making. Let's get some
What
facts
is
straight.
this?
Was Patrick caught multiple times a few years ago pretending to be making real
Zesty
money
ass
while using
punch.
a sim account or free evaluation that wasn't eligible for? He made a massive amount of money trading through prop firms while live streaming. Did he spend a huge amount of money in resets and accounts to accomplish this? Yes, but does the money he made far him? And I think his $200 course contains nothing that can't be learned for free. That I'm
So
not
he has a
endorsing him,
course. Oh, it's not his course. It's Patrick, whatever this guy is.
and I
Okay.
think his $200 course man trading did. All of this happened. I had to beg.
So he has a mentorship where scams spend 3.5k each. Wait, what? I tried finding this mentorship, but I couldn't find it.
This guy using her prop to build a shed. This specific message from after not hearing back, I told him I'd be telling him that he needed to do the right thing and refund that happened if not for Jadon stepping in and making on with your paid community with trade alerts while operating a prop firm at the same.
Bro, I wanna see Danny's trades group or some shit. Like, I couldn't find it. Maybe he took it away. What happened? Because I really wanted private company. Accounts overdue. What is this? Oh yeah, look at this guy. He's him, bro. Like the best trader ever. This guy is him, bro. A Lambo? Not even a Lambo. What is this? A Porsche? Yeah, guys. I'm a certified good trader. Drove to my old house to relive some memories. But it's crazy. Like these are not his cars. Like we all know that these are not his cars. Yeah, we all know that these are not his cars. Definitely not. But I feel like, bro, this guy. Is this his account? You guys remember when we checked? We checked his Instagram recently, and he had way more posts. What is this? DennisTrades.com. Oh, so he has. Want to join the 5% we actually get payouts? You could have your first consistent profitable month early November. I'm giving you the exact volume-based system that took... What volume-based system, bro? What volume-based system, bro? What volume-based system?
Telling you that they know the secret to success. If that's you, then you need to hear what I'm about to tell you. Because what I'm about to show you in the next couple of minutes is either going to show you...
Good thing he has so many monitors, so he can just choose to fucking gamble. That's a good thing, guys. Please get so many monitors.
the reality of what trading should look like, or you're either going to close this video and continue to believe that trading is just gambling, but for rich people. See, I used to think trading was also impossible for me. I thought you needed a trust fund. I thought you needed money to start. I thought you had to be some successful person in college with some...
Oh my god, bro. Beginner is welcome. We teach one market, one setup. What exactly is a setup? Real people results. Why can I not click this shit? This is pretty cool. This is a cool way of making the testimonials. Like you can drag it with your mouse. Yeah, this is cool, but yeah, I don't believe none of this shit, bro. I don't believe nothing. What do you get inside of Dennis inner circle? Psychological rewiring, bro. There's no way. How can you say this, bro, when you don't have anything in your psychology that a profitable trader has? How can you say this, you provide this when you yourself don't have it? Install pre-trade, in-trade, and post-trade routines. Emotions stop dictating P&L. Your personal market blueprint. Precision entries. Pass evals right away, keep them and convert green months into withdrawals. Yeah, bro. They're tired of guessing or gambling and want a proven step-by-step system. If I had money, I generally would have just joined this guy's fucking community just to fucking laugh. Why most traders lose money? Indicators, soup, no edge. Emotion-led decision or risk model. Oversizing or moving stops and widening losses. It's exactly what he's fucking doing, which is crazy. Chasing big wins. Yeah, it's this guy. This part right here is perfectly describing Danish trees. No repeatable process. Bruh. Bruh. Meet your mentor. The mentor who trades it live. Trades garbage live. Trades this live right here. At 18, 19, Danny thought trading was a lottery reserved for insiders. After a brutal wipeout on an earnings play, he ditched indicator super and rebuilt from zero, trading the market like an auction, not a casino. Bro, like how? Bro, how are you legitimately, non-ironically saying this while your actions dictate completely the opposite? He now trades live every morning and mentors traders inside his accelerating inner circle, focusing on one market. One time frame, one setup. No fucking setup, bro. Simple but strict. Read was in control. Volume. I didn't see volume once. He's not reading volume. He has volume on his chart, but he's not reading it. VWAP. Never heard him say VWAP once. Never heard him say VWAP once. And act origins though with pre-planned entries. Pre-planned entries. Pre-planned entries. Pre-planned entries. He never took a pre-planned entry. He teaches his executed church pattern on swing wins and losses in course of students are bruh. Do I need 25k? Is this copy trading? No. Rule based process. Yeah, I think this guy never journaled once. That's the goal. Let's get this shit, bro. If I swear to God, I would get it if I had money. You're a fucking degen gambler. Email gambler degen gambler around. Fuck you. What the one. Phone number doesn't. Oh. 934-425-622. Okay. Bro, let me go. US phone number. What's your username? Monkey. Never experience with trading. Never heard of it. Not full portic. Our mentee is engaged in profit trading and reduce losses. So what are you looking to accomplish? Not gamble. Have over 2.5 million in profit only in the last 12 months. What do you want to mentor? To help me not gamble. Your application reached to discuss next steps. We value and respect your time, so I accept. Submit.
What's going on? If you're watching this video, that means you just submitted your application to work with me directly. And honestly, congratulations. That puts you in a very small group of people who actually take...
Bro, I would pray to God to get a fucking opportunity to just flame the fuck out of this guy. To get in a one-on-one call and just flame the fuck out of his call. Can I join? Oh my God, bro. Bring a pen and notebook. Fuck you, bro. You're a degen. Let's see. I wouldn't trade this. Still close above, but it's overextended. Volume lacks at this point. The most fucking degen trader. And look at you. This is such weird price action. Why are we having choppy price action today? Only AU's looking good here. We almost finished the move to this low. We didn't. But we almost did. Crazy retest here. So AU kind of ended up being the cleanest one today. UJ? Yeah. This is why sometimes you just gotta be avoiding trading. Why didn't we finish? We did had inversion, and on the retest here we could have tried buying towards this high. Why didn't we take this high? Because this high already took liquidity, and that's why we actually fail and hold this as a supply and start breaking lower. So yo, brody, yeah, this is gonna be it for the stream, bro. This guy's a fucking DJ, bro. No trades, kind of as usual on how this last week went. I'm probably just gonna be chilling, just gonna eat something. Probably gonna do some back testing though. I really wanna do some back testing, but not now. Now I'm really not in the mood to be back testing. But I don't know. I do wanna edit my videos. My videos are not gonna be so great. Like we didn't have much trades, so the videos will not gonna be very interesting though. But I'm gonna see what I do. So yeah, this was it for today. We reacted to our favorite DJ, and that's pretty much it. We didn't do much than that. So I'm gonna see you in New York. That's hope. Maybe New York we have a setup. Hopefully, if not, at this point I'm just laughing it out, bro. I'm not even. I don't know. It doesn't really look like it. Let me close these. We're gonna see.